Welcome back everyone, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our passenger floorboard extension kit for the 2020 newer Can-Am Spyder RT models. Now, one of the cool things about the 2020 and up Spyder RT models is that they made the rear passenger floorboards vertically adjustable right from the factory. Now, what if you could also adjust the passenger floorboards horizontally so that your passenger could stretch their legs out on that next touring ride? Well, now they can. Introducing our Billet Aluminum Passenger Floorboard Extension Kit from the team over at Spyder Extras. These bolt-on extensions allow you to adjust the factory passenger floorboard position by either 2 or 4 inches forward, while still allowing you to utilize the factory vertical adjustment so you can truly fine-tune your passenger's foot position for maximum comfort before heading out on that next touring ride. Now, the kit includes 2 black powder-coated billet aluminum extensions for both the left and right side passenger floorboards, and includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. So now that you know what this mod is and what it can do for your passenger, allow me to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 Spyder RT. Start by flipping your passenger floorboard up and using a 13mm socket to unscrew and remove it from the bike. Then use a clean damp towel to wipe away any dirt and debris that may have built up in the groove. Next, add a little dab of removable thread lock to the 2 new bolts with washers. Line up the extension bracket to where you want it, and then insert those new bolts with washers in through the bracket and into the bike finger tight to start. And then use a 6mm Allen to tighten down the rest of the way, making sure not to over tighten. Now add a little dab of removable thread lock to the factory floorboard bolt with washer. Then align the floorboard into one of the 2 slots on the bracket, and insert that factory bolt with washer, tightening it down so that it's nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. And then simply repeat that same process for the other side. And that's all there is to it, folks. So if you'd like to have a passenger floorboard extension kit on your 2020 or newer Can-Am Spyder RT, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab a passenger floorboard extension kit for your Spyder. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.